Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Just want to give a breakdown about the position I took today on gold. Late last week, saw the market printing bullish order flow and just being patient and waiting for an opportunity to get into a trade. And first thing into this new week, during New York's London Open, we saw the market down on this on our POR, and we've been anticipating for price to pull back here and give us a confirmation entry, which it did. It was pretty early in the morning, and I was quite early to the chat, and luckily for me, I got a position because if I was pretty late to the chat, I guess I would have missed my entry. So let me break down what really happened here. This is the 15 minutes chart, and you can see clearly we're making higher highs, higher highs and higher lows. So as at 6 o'clock in the morning, 6 about there about 6 o'clock. Let me go to the 5 minutes. When I got to the chart, I think this would have tricked a lot of people into buying this when they saw this momentum pull back. A lot of people would have attempted it. This was the first position I took, and I took an L. You're gonna see a screenshot of this at the end of the video. I bought this thing and it was running in profits. At the end of the day, dump down, stop loss hit here. So I fall back, and when I saw this on the 3 minutes chart, I saw this liquidation of the low, and I saw a push change of character, broke an internal structure, came back here, act like it was about to break this low. But the moment, what gave me the confidence to execute was when I saw this sweep, it was moving with a lot of momentum here, and I took a risk entry on gold here just by watching what price was doing. I would have entered easily from here, but um, it it fit my plan, and I was confident it would hold. So I took a risk entry here by calculating after calculating my risk here about 20 pip stop loss. Okay, 20 plus, and I entered the first position here. Remember, I took a loss here on this demand here. It failed, and when I saw the sweep of the lows, I give it a second shot. No, proper risk management is key, and if you follow it really religiously, there's nothing wrong in actually giving it a second shot. And when I got in here, I saw this first break. Then I was confident about the trade, and I saw a pullback back into demand here to mitigate this imbalance here. After sweeping this low, I got in somewhere here. That's my second entry. And this thing, I intend to keep this, hold this for the week, but just for the trading, have making a 6 hour on, I don't know, probably this was when I took my profit. This like 11 o'clock. I held this trade from 6 in the morning to 11 o'clock. So I was able to bank 6 hour. This was where I got out. Okay, and I made some decent profit because let's assume you're trading in a 1,100K account. You would have made 6% if you're risking 1% on your account. It was decent, so I had to close when I got here. When it got to this imbalance here, this was where I took my profits. But overall, I intend to hold this trade back to supply. Let's go to the 15 minutes. So you just have to follow your plan and have a management for your trade you take. And if you can look at it right now, it dumped down. It hasn't really popped, but the most important thing here is that I got to pay myself for the time on the chart, and I have a proper way of managing my trade when I'm in position, so everything doesn't reverse on me. It didn't really get to where I anticipated it would get to, but closing 6 hour in a day is a blessing, and I'm really grateful because I made money off the move. I have been waiting for this position for since last weekend. Finally, it's here. So I just want to share this with you, and I hope this is going to be help someone out there to see and how I navigate the chart and make money off the chart. So um, this is going to be like the end of the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys, and I love you. Peace.